Hi there, health warriors. Welcome back to Earth Lux, where ancient healing meets modern life. This is your place to rediscover the wisdom of nature and the secrets hiding in the spaces we rarely look. Today, we're diving into something extraordinary. It's not found in the forest, not brewed in a lab. It drifts silently through the ocean, unseen, untouched, and unbelievably powerful. It's older than the first tree, smaller than a grain of sand, and yet, it may hold the key to our future health. For generations, it fueled the entire planet. Now, it's fueling energy, recovery, focus, and longevity in people just like you, athletes, biohackers, wellness seekers, and almost no one is talking about it. They call it marine phytoplankton. And once you learn what this microscopic marvel can do, you might never look at supplements or the ocean the same way again. But what exactly is in phytoplankton? Are you ready to find out what it can do for you? Let's dive straight in. What is plankton? When you hear the word plankton, what comes to mind? Maybe a cartoon villain, or drifting specks in a nature doc. But behind that simple name lies one of the most powerful life forms on Earth. Microscopic, ancient, and shockingly underrated. Meet marine phytoplankton. They're not plants. They're not animals. They're tiny single-celled organisms that float near the surface of the ocean. So small you could fit thousands on the tip of a pin. And yet, these invisible ocean dwellers are the lungs of our planet, producing over half the oxygen we breathe. But that's just the beginning. Inside each one of these tiny cells is a nutritional jackpot. Essential amino acids, clean omega-3 fatty acids, powerful antioxidants, and more. It's like nature packed an entire multivitamin into something smaller than a grain of dust. They've been here for billions of years, outliving dinosaurs, ice ages, and mass extinctions. Not just survivors, but sustainers of life. For decades, scientists saw them only as ecosystem engineers. But now, they're being reimagined, cultivated, concentrated, and turned into supplements that support human health in ways we're just beginning to understand. And the best part? You're not late to the party. You're right on time, at the edge of a wellness revolution, powered by something you can't even see. Why people are swearing by it. Maybe you felt it too. That slow drain of energy you can't quite explain. The brain fog that creeps in by midday. Skin that lost its glow. A gut that feels off. You're not sick, but you're not thriving either. This is where marine phytoplankton enters the story. Not as a trendy superfood, but as something your body seems to recognize. Like it's meeting an old friend, it didn't know it was missing. Inside this microscopic ocean dweller is a rare kind of intelligence. Biological brilliance refined over billions of years. Packed within a single cell, trace minerals from the sea, clean omega-3s, chlorophyll, amino acids, and superoxide dismutus. One of the most potent antioxidants known to science. It doesn't just supplement you. It supports your body's ability to repair, focus, and recover. Unlike fish oil, which comes further down the food chain, plankton is the original source. The beginning of the marine nutrition web. That means it's purer, cleaner, and often more bioavailable. Your body absorbs it fast and uses it well. People aren't taking it to chase a health trend. They're taking it because it works quietly, deeply, restoring something modern life tends to erode. Not a burst of energy, but a return to clarity, balance, and vitality, one microscopic step at a time. Okay, but does it really work? Let's be honest, the wellness world is noisy. Every month there's a new miracle powder promising glowing skin, boundless energy, and the focus of a Zen monk. Most of it? All bark, no biology. So what makes marine phytoplankton different? It's not the buzzwords. It's the bioavailability. See? Most supplements have to work hard to get your attention, and even harder to be absorbed by your body. They pass through your gut like tourists in a foreign land, barely understood, barely useful. But plankton? It speaks the body's native language. Because of its microscopic size and simple cell structure, marine phytoplankton doesn't need to be broken down. Your body recognizes it immediately, absorbing its nutrients directly into your cells. Fast, efficiently, and without digestive drama. It's like skipping the line at the club and going straight to the VIP section. And people feel it. A 34-year-old teacher from Oregon described it as if someone had turned the lights back on in her brain. A 57-year-old runner ditched his multivitamin and watched his inflammation markers drop within weeks. But this isn't just anecdotal. Emerging studies are backing up the buzz. Phytoplankton has been shown to reduce oxidative stress, support immune recovery after physical exertion, and even improve mitochondrial function. The very engines that power every cell in your body. This isn't hype. It's evolution in motion. Billions of years of survival condensed into a single cell, now working quietly in your favor. So, does it work? Not like a shot of caffeine or a sugar rush. It works like nature intended. Deeply, intelligently, and on your body's timeline. And sometimes, that's the most powerful kind of change. Sustainability matters. In a world where every bite seems to come with a carbon cost, plankton is a quiet revolution. It doesn't need farmland. It doesn't drain fresh water. No pesticides, no deforestation, no fragile ecosystems disturbed. Instead, it's cultivated in controlled marine farms, floating in harmony with nature, not against it. It grows fast, leaves almost no footprint, and gives back more oxygen than trees. While the world debates oat milk versus almond milk, plankton just is. Clean, efficient, and light years ahead. A superfood for your body and the planet. Who should be careful with plankton? Before you dive in, let's pause for a moment of honesty. Marine phytoplankton is powerful, but it's not for everyone. If you have allergies to seafood or algae, it's best to steer clear. Pregnant or nursing? Managing a chronic condition? Talk to your healthcare provider first. Your body deserves thoughtful care. And remember, not all supplements are created equal. Some are lab-tested, clean, and responsibly sourced. Others feel like someone bottled them in their basement. So read the label, look for purity, transparency, and integrity. Because something this natural deserves to be handled right, from sea to shelf. So now you know, the world's most overlooked superfood isn't grown on land, bottled in a lab, or hyped on every corner of the internet. It's tiny, ancient, alive, and it's been quietly nourishing this planet long before we knew what wellness even meant. Plankton isn't a trend, it's a return. To simpler nutrition, to smarter energy, to the kind of support your body doesn't just use, but understands. So next time someone asks what's new in health, you won't need to say much. Just smile and tell them, plankton. You know, the stuff whales eat. And watch their jaw drop. If this video lit a spark in you, if you felt curious, validated, or just a little more connected to the ocean, don't let it stop here. Hit that like button. Subscribe to EarthLux for more deep dives into ancient wisdom and modern healing. Now it's your turn. Have you tried marine phytoplankton? Thinking about it now? Are you curious, skeptical, inspired? I want to hear all of it. I read every one, and your words might be just what someone else needs to hear. Until next time, stay curious, stay grounded, and let nature lead the way.